Once upon a time, in a faraway kingdom, there lived a beautiful princess named Isabella. Isabella had everything a princess could wish for: a green palace, loving parents, and a loyal cat named Whiskers. But she was so curious and adventurous, and sometimes that got her into trouble. One sunny morning, Isabella decided to explore the enchanting forest that surrounded her palace. She was drawn to the whispering leaves, the melodious bird song, and the colorful flowers. She couldn't resist the temptation to venture deeper into the woods. Even though her parent had warned her not from the palace. As Isabella wandered further into the forest, she soon realized that she had lost her way. Panic set in as she realized that she was alone in an unfamiliar part of the forest with no idea of how to get back home. She called for help, but the forest remained silent. Isabella's adventure turned into a dark, long journey. As she tried to find her way back, she encountered talking animals and kind hearted fairies who tried to assist her. But the forest was vast, and her home seemed unreachable. The day turned into night, and the once beautiful forest now felt eerie and unsettling. Exhausted and on the verge of tears, Isabella sat down beneath a towering oak tree. It was there that she met an old and wise owl named Polly. Ollie had watched Isabella's journey through the forest and had seen her determination. Ollie told Isabella that the only way she could find her way home was by following her heart. He explained that her home was not just a place but the love and memories she had with her family. Isabella needed to trust her heart and remember all the happy moments she had shared with her parents. With renewed hope, Isabella closed her eyes and recalled the warmth of her parents' hugs, the laughter at the royal feasts, and the love they had showered upon her. As she did, a magical light appeared in the darkness, leading her back to the palace. With all guidance and her heart as her compass, Isabella made her way back home. The palace appeared in the distance, and when she finally reached its golden gate, her parents rushed out, embracing her with tears of joy. Isabella has lost her way, but she had found something far more important: the realization that home was not just a physical place but a place where love, family, and memories resided. From that one, from that day on, she cherished her place and her family even more, understanding that her true home was in their hearts. And so, the Lost Princess adventure became a beautiful lesson in appreciating the love that surrounded her. For no matter where she roamed, her heart was always home. If you like the story, then hit the subscribe button